I started my YouTube channel where I consistently uploaded 2 to 3 videos a week about 2.5 years ago, and only recently I have been monetized. I want to save you some headache and just pass on some of the things that I've learned. Although I have listened to many people, I've researched it to the nth degree, I have watched how other people are doing things, but I'm going to give you a tip on what helped me the most in all of this, what I was doing, what I am doing, but what is making the biggest difference. I'm going to pass this on to you. I get nothing out of it except that when I was looking for something that truly did work, that really made a dent, and where I could get few more subscribers, I finally got to 1,000. I was stuck at 200 and 300 forever, it seemed. And I also did a lot of work on my channel as far as medical content. I do I'm a registered nurse. My name is Lisa. I do health content, different, unusual, unique cases, things that I find like profoundly interesting. So I realized that not everything I find interesting in this topic, the genre of health cases, is interesting to everybody. It's absolutely not. I almost gave up because I couldn't find my audience anywhere. And I'm still not a big YouTuber. I am a puny, tiny grain of sand. But I know that what's coming up now is not the 4,000 hours viewed. It is now 8,000. I never thought I would get to 4,000. And there are times that you're going to go backwards too. That's a whole nother topic. But what helped me? First of all, just to give you a little information on how I do it, and I'm looking at notes so I don't forget anything here, is that when I came up with an idea, I would research it. I would have a lot of articles that I would put down in that description box. I would max that out with all kinds of information about where I found my topic from, why it's real, because nowadays with medical topics and medical news, people don't believe you. I don't care if you've worked it. I don't care if you are a healthcare provider who has been in the hospital scene for your whole life. People are going to say that what you're talking about isn't true. You're trying to trick us. But you can put as much information down there in the description box as you possibly can. I then did the research. I got like I said, my proof of everything. I did my video. I would edit it, and I would edit it at first in Clipchamp. Now I do it all in CapCut, and I like CapCut a lot better. All right, from there, editing in CapCut, I would then go to Canva and create a thumbnail for YouTube. I would upload all of it. Now, then I would wait. Why is nobody watching this? Why isn't this as interesting to others as it is to me? It must be me personally, and maybe it is. Be nice with your comments. But here's what made a difference for me. Do you guys who have YouTube channels, have you received are you bombarded with emails and DMs from people who want to help you optimize your video and do some editing for you, and they are complete strangers? Like, why would I trust this person, pay this person? Maybe they live in another country and that makes you uncomfortable. But there's somebody who reached out to me and somehow we connected, and mostly it was men. I had all men asking to work on my videos for me and promising the world. And then came a beautiful lady named Renufa Yesmin, and Ranufa talked to me via Facebook at that time. I can't remember, but now we just correspond and talk to each other through WhatsApp. And I feel a lot better discussing content on WhatsApp. But she connected with me, and she showed me what she thought she could do for me. And I kind of challenged her on that. Everybody says that. They say they're gonna, I'm gonna see a big difference, and I just don't know. And she said, okay, that's fine. How about you let me do the next 2 videos for you, and I will show you. Send it my way, and I will do what I can to help make sure everything's done correctly with your video. And when you see a change, if you do, let me know. And boy, did I see a change. That's the only thing that I have done where I've seen a real change. And if you guys know of something, I don't want to hear something like, click this one box and it will make all of a sudden, you're going to be earning tons of money. It's not like, I know it's not like that. So, Renufa states that she's a digital marketing and YouTube SEO keywords optimization professional. Okay, that's a lot. She does more than that. I used her once for a short and something I put up on TikTok. I ask her questions a lot. What do you think I should do with this? Should I change the title of that? She is a professional through and through, and it has been nearly 2 years that I have been with her. Now, you can chat GPT her, and it's going to tell you all about her learning, her education, her professional standing. I wouldn't be where I am right now with 2,400 subscribers, and finally have gotten to getting monetized if it wasn't for her. I know that because here's what it used to be. When I would put my videos up, maybe in 24 hours I might have 100 views, but what changed is I got in a couple days 1,000 views, and then now I'm going to show you the best one I have is for over 14,000 views. Another one has, 10,000 views. And I realize this is nothing. People get 10,000 views an hour. I'm excited if I ever could get, 1,000 views an hour. But I'm working on that. She has made such a huge difference. I completely trust her, and I just want you to think about it. It's just somebody that you can consider and at least try. Just say, what I did. If you can show me exactly what you do, and you can do one for free for me, I want to see if it makes any difference at all. And what harm do you have? I still get people emailing me and private messaging me, telling me that they want access to everything because they can make it a big, make a big difference for me. I did that one other time and it made no difference. So I'm going to put her information below. Stop talking. I want to show you, if you're interested in the second half of this, I'm going to go through some of my videos. I'm going to show you where I'm at right now, as far as what my best videos are and what she has done for them, exactly what she does. I want to show you. I also want to tell you that I find it to be it just doesn't work for me anyway. Not misinformation, but people say, what did you do in that video that was 14,000 views? Keep repeating it. Well, that video had to do with my hip replacement and all my regrets. Another video that did really, really well had to do with my favorite booktubers. Another video that did exceptionally well were me just trying out different chocolate bars and explaining to people how healthy or unhealthy those chocolate bars are for them based on ingredients that are not very healthy for us. All right, so let me move on to what I'm going to show you, because I would have really loved to have had this information when I was first starting. It really made a difference for me. Now, I'm not saying just to jump in with anybody. I can only vouch for this person. I can only tell you who I use, and Ranufa is the one, and that's who I trust and who I find to be professional. All right, so let me share the rest of this with you. Page again now. Here's the front of it. I'm going to show you my most recent video right here. I'm doing one tonight. This was 4 days ago. That was a kind of a stretch. And it's about, oh, that needs to be cleaned. It's about a place that I went that had books and a ship. Okay, so what I wanted to show you is this. I have all this information. I do the video, I edit it on CapCut, I add these sorts of things here. I now have added all of this, subscribe to my channel. I now have an Amazon storefront that's going to get shut down because I haven't had anybody buy from my stuff. That's what happens too. Don't get so excited that you're getting monetized, because you have to prove that people are going to do all of these things and nobody bought. So okay, Amazon Medicine, Memoirs, and Humanity book, PayPal, tip jar, email me, I put what the music is from. Then Renufa comes in. Her name is Renufa Yesmin, and she comes in here and she puts all of these things here. Okay? And that's all it takes. It's so simple. She helps me along, she gives me advice. She will also do any kind of shorts that you want, or something for TikTok if you want. I find that she was completely worth it. Okay, so I'm going to show you one of my absolute best videos here. Hip replacement regret, that's me. I put this up, I'm sorry, over a year ago. I'll get the exact date. I believe it's 14,000 views now, 38 minutes, 54 seconds. And The person that has helped me the most to get to the next level so that more views are seen is somebody I want to recommend to you. She is very reasonable. She connected with me. She said, let me try one of your videos out. I want to show you and you'll see what a difference it will make. And I do all this. So you can imagine, you know, I get a lot of resources in there. I put medical information in there and I stop here. She comes in and she puts these emojis. We've changed them, but this was over a year ago. And she puts all of this information in here, and then she comes down and she does video keywords. Then she comes down, I do the tags box, but she adds these tags. So that's what she does. I pay her for 12 videos at a time. And once she started to do this kind of thing for me, oh my gosh, everything just absolutely took off.